few years back, I inherited boxes of vinyl records, some oldies, some classic rocks, and even some movie soundtracks. I love the idea of listening to them, but I'm not an audiophile, and I definitely do not have the patience or the time to piece together an entire separate component stereo system just so I can listen to these. So the record sat untouched for years until I found this all-in-one record player. The setup took minutes, the instructions were very clear, and the parts were minimal. I expected the sound to be average, but the built-in speakers had a richness that definitely caught me off guard. One of my favorite features is the Bluetooth capability, so when I'm not spinning records, I can actually connect this to my phone. So it actually doubles as a wireless speaker, and I actually use that way more than I thought I would. And for those who want to expand their setup later, it has RCA and auxiliary outputs in the back, making it easy to connect to larger speakers and an upgrade system down the road, and it's beginner-friendly system that grows with you. If you've got a stack of records just laying around, or you're interested in starting a collection, this is one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to jump in. Since none of our records are in public domain yet, I'm playing this over the Bluetooth.